our channel, Desi Fusion Kitchen.
देसी फ्यूजन किचन में आपका स्वागत है.
Today we're going to be making a simple Paneer Taco recipe.
Let's get started.
We're going to start off by making the sauces and the coleslaw for the toppings. So for the sauce, we're going to use just some basic ingredients. We're going to use cilantro. I just took like a handful of it, washed it already. So we're going to take some cilantro. We have about 10 leaves of mint. Oops. 1 green chili. Just going to chop it in half. I'm going to use salt. And this is per taste, so I use like maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon. And same with cumin powder, about 1/4 teaspoon. There we go. And just a little bit of water so it does blend easily. The next thing we're gonna make is the coleslaw. So I took 1 carrot, which I'm gonna shred. Maybe 1 carrot may be too much. I may just use half of this. Now I took about 1/8 of a purple cabbage, which I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, now we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. So I'm gonna take my shredded carrot and cabbage. And in here, we are gonna add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. There's 1. And you can just estimate this, 2. If you want it more creamy, you can add more. And we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of sour cream. There's about 1 and 2. We'll add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. And we have this salad topper with sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and dried cranberries. So I'm just gonna use that also. It's about maybe 1/4 of a cup.
Stop.
There you go. Your coleslaw is ready. And you can place this in the fridge until you make your paneer.
Okay, let's jump into making paneer. So I have this 400 grams of paneer, but I'm gonna use half of it. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this in half, and I'm gonna put this in microwave and microwave it for like a couple of minutes so it gets soft. So you're gonna put it in bowl. We'll put some butter. Make sure the paneer is covered in the water all the way. And we will microwave it for 2 minutes. My paneer was already hot for a little bit, so it's already soft. If your paneer is a little hot, make sure you put it for more than 2 minutes. By the time paneer is getting softened in the microwave, we will start with the paneer masala. We will take a little bit of olive oil. When the oil is hot a little bit, we're gonna throw in our ginger and some green chilies. We'll cook the green chilies and the ginger until it's a little crispy. We just want the taste of ginger and green chilies to get absorbed in oil. In the meanwhile, we will take another pan and we will saute our green peppers. Okay, so when your green chilies and your ginger is done, we'll take 2/3 cup of tomato sauce and we will add it into the pan. Once we add the tomato sauce, we will add a little bit of salt. Salt is as per your taste. So I'm gonna put like half tablespoon. Sorry, so I put half teaspoon of salt. Okay, next we add 1 tablespoon of paneer masala. I'm using karai paneer masala. You guys can use any paneer masala. We'll cook the masala in the tomato gravy. We'll cook it for about 2-3 minutes. We need to make sure that all the masala is absorbed in the gravy. Okay, so the tomato sauce looks almost done. The masalas look almost cooked in the tomato sauce. Let's get our paneer from the microwave. I'm going to take out the water. So I just washed my hands, so I'm going to take my hands and scramble the paneer into the gravy like this. I can start with half. So take little pieces of your paneer and just scramble it with your hand. Mix all your paneer with the tomatoes and gravy. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. The paneer is cooking. Now we will add some salt and green peppers. Give it a mix. And then I will add my green peppers in the paneer. Give it a mix. Cook for a couple of more minutes. Ready. The last thing we're gonna do is sprinkle some garam masala, just to give a little flavor. And that's it. Your paneer is ready to be added to tacos.
So we're just adding the coleslaw. Fusion Kitchen.
देसी फ्यूजन किचन में आपका
Oh,
स्वागत
there's
है।
a Mukhi. That Mukhi's back.
Ding 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 ding.